Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold. So we will see what happens. Market opens up in less than 1 minute, so I will keep you updated. All right, I have 500 shares at, let me just adjust this. All right, and all right, there we go. So I'm now going to let these work for me. Let me bring this down some more. So now as the price moves in my favor, okay, this is a fantastic problem to have. Whoops, going the wrong way there. I'm just going to move this down. So I'm out right there. Kind of screwed that up. It went down a lot lower, but I was I was clicking in the wrong direction. But yeah, good little first trade there. Again, just shorted my 500 at 41.50 and then covered at 25.12.01 and then got stopped out of my final 200 down at 98. So $216 in 2 minutes. I'll take it, but let's see if I can get some more trades on this one. Have another order out there to restart the shorting process at 42.40. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. I am scanning around the market for other stocks. So okay, looks like it. If we can get the break there, I might have a chance. So there's the break of 42. Let's see how high it wants to go at this point. I was hoping for a little bit more of a stronger type break through 42. Now, I would like to get more shares than what I have, but so let's see if it can get up there or not. I will keep you updated. I actually have two orders out there now on HRTX, one from the short side, one from the long side. So it looks like I might have a chance here if it pulls back some more. I'd have no problem buying the pullback. It's been a strong morning. So 40.71. Well, I was close to being down there, so I'll just get rid of that one. Well, it went down as low as 40.72. So I literally missed out on that bottom by a penny. Well, I'm going to change this down to another point. So there's that 40.72 again. All right, so I would have been filled there, but like I said, I feel a little more comfortable down at this price now. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. All right, it is 9:54 a.m. I really haven't been looking at the markets at all. I did try to play the BABA move here, and I still may get a chance to play it as it's really getting overextended to the downside. But I kind of got distracted a little bit. But you know, when you start off with $216 in the first 2 minutes, the incentive levels go down a little bit in terms of, you know, paying attention, because hey, that's a good way to start. So I am still hunting now though, but you know, I haven't really been looking around that much the past, I don't know, since whenever that last update was, which was I think about 10-15 minutes ago, maybe even 20 minutes ago. But let's see what else I can find. Real quick, since I know I'll get the questions, if you're wondering, you know, how am I finding these stocks that I'm trading? You know, how did I find HRTX this morning? What I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about all the tools that I do use to find the setups that I think may have some, you know, profitable potential. So if that sounds like something that could add some value to you as a trader, then go ahead and click right there, and I will email you this guide. Like I said, totally free. It's a one-page document, so it's not like you have to read through tons and tons of pages. I wanted to make it as time efficient as possible. So like I said, sign up, and I will email it to you. All right, I might give HRTX here another go. If it can break through the round number of 40, have my first order at 39.71. So we'll see if it can pull back there at all. I will keep you updated. Have an order in to pick up some shares, just a small entry point at 29.01 on SNCR. This one has just been getting really beat down quite a bit. So we'll see if it can pull it back there or not. Got down as low as 29.25. We'll see what happens. All right, I apologize. I missed that, and I was trying to get a stop loss set, and I just couldn't even get a stop loss set because this thing is so volatile and moving around. But I did get 500 shares at 28.51, and then sold 100 at. Actually, I want to make an alert real quick here in my chat room. Possible capitulation. 2 minutes. There we go. So just alerting that potential bottom here is what I just alerted for at least a dead cat bounce. So we'll see if that happens or not. But going back to actually low. In the event that's not, then I would be willing to start over the process again down there at 27.51. But just to go over, I got in at 28.51, and like I said, this all happened in basically the blink of an eye. And then I sold shares at 28.65, 28.76, got some off there at 29.17, so that was a fantastic trade in and of itself. 29.05 and then 28.74 is essentially where the stop loss went off. But like I said, I was trying to get it set, and it was moving so fast that I just want to take advantage. And you look at the 5 minute here, if this thing isn't getting beat up, then I don't know what is. So there's a 5 minute. But I'm open to playing it some more. Just got to be very selective about entry points. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, I alerted in the chat room as a possible bottom here. So I may be looking to redo my plan and pick up some shares a little bit higher than what now. But I want to watch the price action a little bit more. All right, broke through 28. So we'll see if it can get down there to 27.51. I know I missed the entire trade last time, but we'll see if I can do a little bit better this time. All right, I'll pause it again. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this up. You can see a little bounce here, but as would be expected, a dead cat bounce. And I had some orders in a little bit higher, but the price never bounced up as high as what I felt comfortable enough getting in. So I'm just going to call it a morning. 45 minutes in, up 398. So yeah, a good little morning session. And looks like some other things are still active out there, but want to keep this one a little bit shorter than some of the past. So thank you for watching. Questions, comments, leave those below. Click the like button. Things like that really do go a long way. And get out there. Check out that guide. You can check out claytrader.com if you want to learn more about my services, myself, and what I have to offer. But yeah, thanks for joining me for this morning's trading action, and I will see you back in future videos.